Hello everyone, I'd like to tell you about Skonaki, a tool that creates cheat sheets from videos. I developed Skonaki to help me study for a course I'm currently taking. The course is remote and all lectures are recorded. I'm a busy man, so I figured I could save myself some time by having a tool create a cheat sheet for each lecture. Skonaki is a command line application that takes a path to a video file and produces a list of bullet points with the most important information about the video. The bullet points are accompanied by timestamps in case you need to refer back to the video and check a specific part for yourself. There are various ways to customize the output, but I will let you explore them on your own. In a general sense, Skonaki is yet another tool that helps you create notes from videos. I compared it with similar applications and found Skonaki produced results that are more suitable for studying. Remember, while Skonaki may accelerate your learning, it cannot and should not replace studying. Use it to create a cheat sheet and then refine the cheat sheet using your own knowledge. Under the hood, Skonaki uses OpenAI models to transcribe the video and create the cheat sheet. The tool is available under an open source license on GitHub, but you will need an OpenAI API key for it. So tell me, are you planning to use Skonaki or a similar tool to help you study? And do you think such tools are a bad idea for education in the long run?